Good morning vlog. It is another early morning, currently 6:36 a.m. and we're waiting for our breakfast and we gotta eat it really quick because we gotta make our way out to a waterfall. Please excuse the way that I look right now. It's too early for your judgment. Last night I posted a really cool reel. I'm trying to figure out what to wear. I've just got my bikini on and it's a pants. I hope I don't get copyrighted for this. Alexa, next song please.
We asked for our breakfast to be ready by 7, so it should be ready very, very soon.
They're just making it now, so we'll probably be ready in another 5 minutes.
Breakfast. Very nice, very nice.
He had to get jumped off because he got his back leg bitten by a snake.
We made it.
My buttocks is broken. Look, it's King Kong.
30,000 for one person. Good morning.
Looks like we're in Samoa, and then we're not.
60,000.
Oh, does this mean we are number 1 person and 2? The first people today?
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very interesting entrance. I don't know what these are. They look funny. Spotted a lot of these on our trip. Most of the people in Bali are Hindu. Spotting these cafes on the way down to this Happy Frog Cafe. It's like Papase Air. But imagine Papase Air having like a couple of cafes on the way down. Look at that. That's beautiful. I hear it's getting closer and closer. Okay, found some other stairs.
Right now, would be the perfect time to shoot over there. The light is coming through. You go back?
That Micah is an explorer because I wouldn't be going into no caves like that. Oh my God. Be careful, please. I didn't expect to come here and get wet. My hair is wet, my clothes are wet. So we made it up the waterfall. We're at this cafe. Micah has just suggested that we go to
It's called Tirta Impul Temple, and it says sacred water temple known for its holy spring water where locals partake in purification rituals. Gonna go get purified?
I think Jesus can purify you.
Amen.
But let's go try it anyway.
Okay, so because I came to Bali with like basically no gear, I only have my camera. I've already bought a drone, and I really need a tripod to get some shots with me and Ella. So I bought this. It was 60,000 rupiah, which is about 12 tala or something like that. And the girls in here don't know a word of English, so I had to use Google Translate to like converse with them. It was really funny. Probably the widest road we've seen in Indonesia. Bali so far.
Entered in from there and I was walking around there. There's the big thing. We want to get a photo there. We gotta go in here to find a sarong for me to wear. Can you show what I'm currently wearing?
For you or for us?
For us, I guess this is what I'm wearing. We're gonna find something to wear so we can enter the holy grounds. Okay, so from this point I think I'm gonna create a TikTok.
Can take your bill, please.
Back opening for temple.
Oh, you have to walk up. Okay. Can we take a photo here before? I think it's not Ada nih, Bro.
Peraturan Gubernur Bali.
Agung now. Kids, pregnant people.
Should we go somewhere else? These guys aren't serving me.
I think you give it to me and that tastes sus. Cheese? Yes, maybe some chili there. And you?
One this cold one.
Ah, okay.
Black.
How much is each?
3, 2.
Sideman. Cinnamon.
This is no, it's not Sideman.
This is
Parked our car here.
And the place that we're at is called Koli Bali. So that's what you can call it. Koli Bali. It's kind of pretty. You have to spend a minimum 250,000, which is roughly 50 tala.
Oh, there are these little jacuzzis.
Oh,
Jacuzzi.
you jump in the jacuzzi.
Wow. Look at that, baby.
You want to jump in your own little private little pool?
See, I bought us here.
Yeah, you bought us here, but I drove us here.
We were gonna be dining at like a random cafe on the side of the road that like wasn't even.
That wasn't gonna cost us 250,000, but that's okay.
But look at this. Wow. And we get the view of the biggest volcano in. Oh no,
That's not even it. It's over there, bro. Yeah.
I don't know. I think it's that one above the behind the clouds. That's the biggest rice fields in Bali. Biggest rice fields and the biggest volcano called Mount Uguk.
Okay, should we order something? Have something to eat?
This is my fish and chips that I got. And what did you get?
Chicken kebab.
Very winty.
Winky and not the winky the cow. The cow is not winky.
Oops, I forgot to film. I got this dragon fruit juice. It's pretty yum. And a margarita. I'm in the pool right now. Mike is currently on a business meeting. That there is the mountain. It is the biggest, I think the largest volcano in Bali. And Michael just won't stop looking. I decided to put some makeup on in hopes Micah would be so kind to take pictures of me with the mountain in the background, but he's still on his business meeting. Looks like I'm gonna have to take my own pictures. We're on our way home. That's pretty.
Hinging on a digging on a squash banana, hungry on a hinging on a digging on a squash banana.